To propagate hydrangea plants from cuttings, select a piece of stem inches long that is from this year's growth. It should be green, not brown and woody. Trim it off with sharp scissors or secateurs just below a node. Gently remove the leaves from the bottom 2 or 3 nodes, leaving only the top 2 leaves. These stripped nodes are where roots will develop. Since the leaves are usually large, use scissors to snip them in half, reducing the surface area the new roots will have to support. If they are small, it is okay to leave them as is. Keep the cuttings in water after harvesting them from the plant. Don't let the freshly cut ends dry out while you work. Moisten the end of the stem and dip it in a rooting hormone. Skipping this step with hydrangeas will lower your success rate. Fill a container or pot with a well-moistened medium of your choice. Poke a hole with a pencil or stick, and then carefully place the hydrangea cutting down into the hole to avoid brushing off the rooting hormone. Multiple cuttings can be placed several inches apart in the same container and repotted later once they have rooted. Firm up the medium around the stem and place it in a bright location out of direct sunlight. 8 weeks, you can check the progress of your new hydrangea's roots by gently giving the stem a little tug. If there is resistance, your hydrangea cutting has grown roots.